Bhaya Pranayam. Welcome in today's session of Bhaya Pranayam. In Sanskrit, Bhaya means outside and is called the external retention of breath. In this kind of breathing technique, the breath is exhaled, breathe out completely before holding the body in various bandhs. Have a look on the steps of Bhaya Pranayam. Sit in pose of Padmasana or Siddhasana. Take a deep breath and exhale completely. You have to breathe out to evacuate, to completely empty your lungs as much as possible. Hold your breath and touch your chin to the chest. This lock is known as throat lock or Jalandhar Bandh. Next step, by pulling your stomach in and up under the rib cage such that the stomach and the back seem to touch each other from inside. It is called Udyan Bandh. Lift the muscle from the groin area and this lock is known as the root lock or Mool Bandh. There are three types of lock in this pranayam. Hold these three bandhs for some time and then breathe in deeply to release these three locks. Repeat the Bhaya Pranayam for 2 to 5 minutes daily. It is very beneficial for your body. Let's start the pranayam. Sit in Padmasana or Siddhasana. Sit in Dhyan Mudra like this. Put your hands, your index finger and thumbs joined. Put the hands on your knees. Open your palm. Close your eyes and start breathing normally. Breathe in and breathe out. Just feel the positivity of your surroundings and get refreshed by breathing before starting the pranayam. Again, have a look. You have to breathe out during the practice. This is called Bhaya Pranayam and it should be done after Kapalbhati Pranayam. So, sit in Padmasana. Take deep breath. Exhale completely. Breathe out. Hold breath and touch your chin to the chest. This is throat lock or Jalandhar Bandh. Next, pull your stomach in as much as you can. Pull your stomach in. Yes, pull your stomach as much as you can. Very good. This is Udyan Bandh. Now lift the muscle from the groin area. This is Mool Bandh or root lock. Hold these three bandhs for some time, like 10 to 15 seconds. Very good. Hold your breath. Don't breathe. You have to hold your breath better. And then breathe in and relax your body like this. Now you have to repeat this asana for 2 to 5 minutes. Start again. Take deep breath. Exhale completely. Hold your breath and touch your chin to the chest. First is throat lock, Jalandhar Bandh. Learn the names also. Pull your stomach in. This is Udyan Bandh. Very good. And the last, lift the muscle from the groin area. This is Mool Bandh or root lock. Again, repeat the locks. First is throat lock, Jalandhar Bandh. Second is Udyan Bandh. And the third is Mool Bandh or root lock. Learn again. First is throat lock, second Udyan Bandh and the third is root lock. Take deep breath. Exhale completely. Hold the breath and touch the chin to the chest. Throat lock. Udyan Bandh, pull your stomach as much as you can. And the last is root lock. Lift the muscles from the groin area. Hold these three bandhs for some time and now relax. Breathe in and relax your body. Again, repeat the process. Repeat the 3 bandhs, throat lock, Uddhayan bandh and root lock. Very good. Hold these 3 bandhs for some time. Relax. Breathe in and relax your body. Very good. Now it's time to end the session. Rub your palms and then put your palms on your face. Now have a look on benefits of Bhayya Pranayam, helpful in all abdominal complaints like constipation, acidity, gastric problem, hernia, and cure them completely. It cures the reproductive organs related complaints, improves the concentration of the mind, improves the digestion, and beneficial for diabetes patients. I hope you practice this asana daily for 2 to 5 minutes. Thank you.